Want a bigger chest but stuck at home? You don't need a gym. Just these 4 moves. These exercises target every part of your chest, upper, middle, and lower, for a complete 3-dimensional look. We'll use simple variations and household items, focusing on progressive overload to spark muscle growth. All you need is some floor space and determination. This routine works for beginners and can be scaled up as you get stronger. Let's dive in and unlock your chest-building potential. Alright, let's dive into the fundamentals of building a powerful chest with nothing but your own body weight. We're starting with the cornerstone of upper body strength, a true test of fitness and control, the standard push-up. This isn't just any exercise, it's a compound movement that engages your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making it incredibly efficient for building strength and muscle. Start in a high plank, hands under shoulders, ensuring your weight is evenly distributed to avoid strain. Think of it as the top of a plank, but with a purpose. Body in a straight line from head to heels. This is crucial. Imagine a straight line running from your ears, through your shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles. No breaks, no bends, engage your core and glutes. This will stabilize your body and prevent your hips from sagging. Think of drawing your belly button towards your spine, no sagging hips or arched backs. Maintaining that straight line is key to protecting your lower back and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Lower yourself with control, resisting gravity as you descend. Don't just drop down, make every inch count. Elbows tucked at a 45-degree angle. This protects your shoulder joints and allows for a greater range of motion, targeting the chest muscles more effectively. Avoid letting your elbows flare out to the sides. Go down until your chest nearly touches the floor, maximizing the stretch in your pectoral muscles. This full range of motion is what leads to greater muscle growth and strength gains. Pause briefly at the bottom to eliminate momentum and ensure you're using pure muscle power to push back up, then push up explosively. Drive through your palms, engaging your chest and triceps to return to the starting position with force. Squeeze your pecs at the top, contracting the chest muscles for maximum activation. Feel the burn, but don't lock your elbows. Keep a slight bend to protect your joints and maintain tension on the muscles. Focus on quality reps, not quantity. Perfect form is paramount to avoid injury and maximize results. Each one should be slow and controlled. This ensures you're engaging the correct muscles throughout the entire movement. If you can't do 10, don't get discouraged. Do as many as you can with perfect form. Even a few perfect reps are better than a set of sloppy ones. Consider modifying by doing them on your knees to build strength gradually. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets. This allows your muscles to recover slightly so you can maintain good form throughout all sets. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, challenging yourself with each set, progressing as you get stronger. As the standard push-up becomes easier, you can explore variations to continue challenging your muscles. Mastering this move is non-negotiable. It's a fundamental building block for upper body strength. It's the foundation for all chest training. It's a gateway to more advanced exercises and a testament to your dedication. Once you can hit 3 sets of 15, consistently and with perfect form, you're ready for advanced variations. Think incline, decline, diamond, or even plyometric push-ups. The possibilities are endless. Let's get to work. Time to build that chest, one perfect push-up at a time. Remember, consistency and proper form are your best friends on this journey. Alright, let's move on to incline push-ups. This variation is a fantastic way to modify the standard push-up and make it more accessible, especially when you're just starting your fitness journey. It's a great stepping stone to building the strength needed for flat ground push-ups. Incline push-ups are particularly effective for targeting the lower chest muscles, also known as the lower pectorals. This area can sometimes be a bit stubborn to develop, so this exercise is a valuable addition to your chest workout routine. And they're excellent for beginners who are building strength and getting comfortable with the push-up motion. It allows you to gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. To get started, find a sturdy surface like a couch, a bench, or even a stable chair. Make sure it won't move or slip while you're using it. Safety first. A bench is ideal, but a couch or even a sturdy box will work just fine. The key is to have a stable, elevated surface. Remember, the higher the surface, the easier the exercise will be. This is because you're reducing the amount of your body weight you have to lift. Place your hands on the edge of the surface, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core to prevent sagging. Keep that core tight throughout the entire movement. This protects your lower back and helps you maintain proper form. Slowly lower your chest towards the surface, maintaining control. Don't just drop down. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. This helps protect your shoulder joints and ensures you're engaging the correct muscles. Then, push yourself back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Really focus on a slow and controlled descent. This eccentric portion of the exercise is crucial for building strength. Take a brief pause at the bottom, feeling the stretch in your chest muscles. And then, with a strong and deliberate movement, press back up to the starting position. Be mindful not to let your hips sag during the exercise. This puts unnecessary strain on your lower back, and avoid rushing through the reps. Quality over quantity is key here. Remember, proper form is everything when it comes to preventing injuries and maximizing results. Don't be afraid to adjust the height of the surface to match your current strength level. It's all about finding the right challenge for you. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on maintaining good form throughout each set. Allow yourself approximately 60 seconds of rest between each set to recover and prepare for the next one. If you find the exercise becoming too easy, try using a lower surface to increase the difficulty. Conversely, if it's too challenging, elevate the surface even higher to make it more manageable. As you perform each repetition, really focus on feeling that lower chest muscle engaging and working. This mind-muscle connection is key to effective training. Now let's build that upper chest shelf with decline push-ups. Place your feet on an elevated surface, hands on the floor, body angled downward. Keep your core braced and back flat, no arching or sagging. Lower your chest toward the floor, elbows at 45 degrees, pause at the bottom, then push up powerfully, squeezing your upper chest. This move is tougher, so start with a lower elevation if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, resting 90 seconds between sets. If you can't hit 8, lower the elevation or stick with standard push-ups for now. Quality over quantity. Perfect form is key. This is how you build that impressive upper chest. Finally, let's talk about chest dips, a powerhouse exercise that can really sculpt your pectoral muscles. We're moving into more advanced territory now, so make sure you're warmed up and ready to push yourself. This exercise is a fantastic addition to any chest workout routine, offering a unique challenge and exceptional results. Chest dips are an advanced move, truly effective for serious chest growth. They target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a highly efficient exercise. This isn't just about building size, it's about developing functional strength and a well-defined physique. They're especially effective for hitting the outer and lower pecs, areas that can be stubborn to develop with other exercises. This helps create that full, rounded chest appearance that many people strive for. By emphasizing these areas, you'll achieve a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing chest development. To perform chest dips safely and effectively, use 2 sturdy parallel surfaces. Ensure they're stable and won't move during the exercise. Safety is paramount, so double-check your setup before you begin. These surfaces could be chairs or counters, anything that can reliably support your weight. Get creative, but always prioritize stability. You can even use specialized dip bars if you have access to them. Position the surfaces just wider than shoulder width apart. This allows for a full range of motion and proper muscle engagement. Too narrow, and you won't get the full benefit. Too wide, and you risk shoulder strain. Grip the edges firmly, ensuring a secure hold. Your hands should be positioned comfortably, allowing you to maintain control throughout the exercise. A solid grip is essential for both performance and safety. Support your weight with your arms fully extended, creating a stable starting position. Feel the tension in your chest and shoulders as you prepare to lower yourself. This is your foundation for a successful dip. As you descend, lean forward slightly. This forward lean is crucial for targeting the chest muscles effectively. It shifts the emphasis away from the triceps and onto the pecs. Lower yourself slowly and with control until your elbows are at 90 degrees. This is the ideal depth for maximizing chest muscle activation. Avoid dropping too quickly, as this can put unnecessary stress on your joints. You can even go a bit lower if your flexibility allows, further enhancing the stretch in your chest muscles. However, always listen to your body and avoid pushing beyond your comfortable range of motion. You should be feeling a deep chest stretch at the bottom of the movement. This stretch is a key component of muscle growth and development. Embrace the feeling, but don't force it. Pause briefly at the bottom, holding the stretch and maximizing muscle fiber recruitment. This brief pause also helps eliminate momentum, forcing your muscles to work harder. Then, push back up to the starting position, engaging your chest muscles throughout the entire movement. Focus on a controlled and deliberate ascent. Squeeze your chest at the top of the movement, further activating the pectoral muscles. This final squeeze is crucial for maximizing muscle engagement and promoting growth. Keep your shoulders down and chest up throughout the exercise, maintaining proper posture. This helps prevent injury and ensures that you're targeting the correct muscle groups. Don't let your shoulders roll forward, as this can lead to shoulder impingement and reduce chest activation. Maintain a proud chest and retracted shoulder blades. Avoid swinging or using momentum to complete the reps. This defeats the purpose of the exercise and increases the risk of injury. Every rep should be strict and controlled, focusing on proper form and muscle engagement. Quality over quantity is key when it comes to chest dips. If you can't do a full dip with proper form, don't worry. There are modifications you can use to build strength gradually. Work on slow negatives, focusing on the eccentric lowering phase of the movement to build strength and control. This is a great way to prepare your muscles for full dips. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, adjusting the number based on your strength level and goals. Rest for 90 seconds to 2 minutes between sets, allowing your muscles to recover and prepare for the next set. Proper rest is essential for optimal performance and muscle growth. This is one of the most challenging bodyweight moves you can do for your chest, so be patient and persistent. It takes time and dedication to master chest dips. Always prioritize proper form and safety to avoid injuries and maximize results. Listen to your body and adjust the exercise as needed. Master these dips, focusing on consistent progress and continuous improvement. With dedication and proper technique, you'll reap the rewards, and I promise you, your chest will transform, becoming stronger, more defined, and more impressive than ever before. Get ready to see some serious gains. That's it. 4 powerful moves to build a bigger, stronger chest at home. Stick to perfect form, challenge yourself, and stay consistent. Do this routine 2 to 3 times a week, resting between sessions. Warm up, listen to your body, and train smart. Ready to level up? Like, subscribe and share your progress in the comments. Now stop watching. Start building that chest.